What's up? What's up? What's up? You already know. This is Peach and Baby. Baby, say hey to Peach Patch. Say hey. Say hey. Baby so cute. It's the dimples for me. I got them same dimples. Mine used to be way up here. Now they down here because I'm fat. I'm fat. Baby, smile. Say cheese. Show them your dimples. Anywho, today's video is going to be discussing my first YouTube check along with tips. Now, I've been going back and forth on if I wanted to make this video or not, because I don't want people to think that I am bragging, okay? I just want to show you guys what's possible. I remember when, hold on. I love you. Go get your clothes from Daddy. Let me get rid of the kid. And if you're like, girl, what kind of video is this with a kid? I am a mom of 5, okay? And I owe this baby a lot, baby. Our first million view video is with you. I would not be here without you. Anywho, to get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now, it is currently February 2021, okay? So that is the requirements for right now, February 2021. My baby don't want to leave me alone. But to be monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I'm sure those of you who are YouTubers, whether you're a small YouTuber or a large YouTuber, you already know this. That is the current requirement for those of you who didn't know. And it is currently February of 2021 when I'm making this video. Now, once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you become eligible to apply for the YouTube monetization program, which I'll pin my video of me doing that in the comments, okay? Because I went through this whole journey with you all, with the Peach Patch live, you know, letting them know what was going on. I mean, my goal was to get monetized. My goal is to become a millionaire from YouTube, buy my house cash, and then disappear. I'm not going to be a forever YouTuber. At least that's not in my plans. I like privacy. I like a low-key life. But I heard YouTube making millionaires, so that's why I'm here. Anywho, after you apply for the YouTube partnership program, if you become eligible, like, and they approve you, you then have the opportunity to put ads in your videos, and you get paid when people watch the ads in your videos, not from YouTube, but from Google. I should title my video, my first Google AdSense check, because that's who pay you. But Google owns YouTube, so it kind of goes hand in hand. Anywho, so I got monetized on YouTube on June 15th. I got approved, and then I put the ads on my videos on June 16th that morning, early that morning. So that was my first actual day being monetized. For those of you who aren't aware, once you get monetized, you have to manually go back to all your videos and turn on your what is it called? Monetization. And then if you have mid-rolls, which are the ads in the middle of the videos, you have to manually put each and every mid-roll where you want it. And that's how you're going to make the money. I tell all my clients to make sure their YouTube videos are at least 9 minutes long, because the YouTube video needs to be at least 8 minutes long in order for you to have mid-rolls. That's how you can make more money. Hypothetically speaking, if YouTube allowed you one commercial in the beginning for videos that are less than 8 minutes and one commercial at the end and only paid 10 cents, would you like to make just 20 cents? Possibly only 10, because most people don't watch videos to the end. That's normal, for those of you who didn't know that. Or would you like to make a video that's over 8 minutes where you can put mid-rolls, like let's say 6 mid-rolls, plus your 2 on the outside, so that's 8 ads, and possibly make 80 cents. Would you rather make 20 cents or 80 cents? Hypothetically speaking. That's not how we get paid, but I'm just saying, hypothetically speaking, everybody I know say, I would rather make 80 cents. Okay, so that is one of the reasons why you want to make your videos at least 8 minutes long. When I first started on my YouTube, started taking it serious in 2020, around May 2020, you had to have your video be at least 15 minutes to have mid-roll. So the video had to be a minimum of 15 minutes long in order for you to put ads in the middle of the video so you can have mid-rolls and make more money. So in the middle of that in the middle of 2020, like towards the end, after July actually, YouTube changed the requirement from 15 minutes to 8 minutes because we were in the middle of COVID. I don't know. I guess they just wanted everybody to have a better opportunity to make more money. So they changed the requirements to where your video no longer had to be 15 minutes to have mid-rolls, but it could be 8 minutes. So a lot of YouTubers are now creating shorter content because we can still have mid-rolls and make a lot of money and still have a high audience retention rate so our videos can get shared. So that's what they did. But I know you like, girl, I don't care about all that. I want to know, how much was your first check? Okay, so my first day being monetized on YouTube was June 16th, 2020. And on that particular day, I made $23.70. That is it, $23.70. And I remember I was so sad because I didn't even see. I had been looking all day. YouTube pays us the next day for the day before. So, like, today is Thursday, February 11th. Tonight after 10 p.m., I'll be paid for Wednesday, February 10th. They pay us, like, it updates a day behind. You never see it in real time. It updates a day behind. So I remember, like, waiting all day, checking all day, and it was still saying 0, 0, 0. And then finally, Daddy had came home, and he was like, you telling me to quit my car wash and do YouTube, and you only made $23. And I bust out crying, boo-hoo crying, and I felt like an idiot. Like, I'm working so hard on YouTube, trying to blow up and become a millionaire, trying to buy me a house like Pant Squad, Beam Squad, you know, all of my favorite YouTubers. And yeah, I only made $23. What the fuck was I thinking, right? But the next day I left and I made my first, like, not my first, but one of my first live videos at my sister's house. And Daddy ended up calling me and he was like, oh, the day you made blah, blah, blah. So I had hit that $100 threshold. I was already looking at other people's YouTube videos where they were talking about how much money they made and how long it took them to hit the $100 threshold. Oh, I left that part out. So in order for you to get paid from YouTube, you must make a minimum of $100 every single month or they won't give you your money. Okay, so minimum of $100. So that next day, I met my $100 threshold. So Daddy was a little bit more like, okay, he got a little bit more faith in me and my vision, and I'm not as crazy. So I was monetized on June 16th, first day getting paid, all the way up to June 30th, and I made $2,028.19. I'm gonna insert a screenshot. It'll just play right real quick. Okay. I was super happy to see what I was capable of. I didn't know, like, I knew YouTube was making, like, millionaires, but when I was looking at people's first YouTube check videos, they wasn't really making no money. It was taking them, like, 3 months to make $100 or $200 and something dollars. So it was very discouraging. And in my mind, I started thinking it's going to take me months, but it didn't. So my first YouTube check was $2,028.19 for just 14 days of work. I thought that was awesome. That's like making $1,000 and something a week, which is like the amount of money people make on a job. Some people don't even make that much. And I was able to do it by doing regular stuff. I was being myself, being a mom to my kids, cooking, shopping, stuff that I already do anyways, which is why I always encourage people to do YouTube channels. Now, let me just go over when we get paid and stuff like that. For those of you who don't know, YouTube pays us, like, we earn money from the first until the end of the month. So whether it's 28 days, 30 days, however many days, it starts on the first and ends on the last day of the month. But we won't know that final amount until the 10th. On the 10th of the month, our money moves from YouTube over to Google AdSense, and we have our finalized amount. Once we have our finalized amount, we just got to sit and wait. Be patient. Just wait. And between the 21st and the 26th of the month, of the following month, YouTube actually released our money. So, like, right now it's February 11th. On February 22nd, because the 21st is a Sunday, on February 22nd, YouTube, usually after 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, YouTube will release my money for January. And I'll get the whole lump sum of the amount of money I made from Google AdSense revenue on February 22nd for the month of January. I like that it's a month behind because I always know how much money I got coming, if I'm going to be able to pay my bills, if I need to work extra hard, For the next month, if I need to scale back with my shopping, I always know what's going on. So that is definitely a plus for me. What else I need to tell y'all? Because I had to figure all this out on my own. I was like on pins and needles. I had no clue. I thought we got paid on the 21st of every month, even if it was the weekend. But you only get paid Monday through Friday. So if the 21st fall on a Saturday or Sunday, you got to wait until the next business day. If it's a holiday, you don't get paid. You got to wait until the next business day to get your money. The whole time I've been looking at myself instead of the camera. Sorry, y'all. YouTube Ricky move. I make money other ways too. And for those of you like $2,000, that's not no money. Some people might be thinking that, but guess what? It get better. The next month that I was on YouTube, this is what got me off food stamps. Because for those of you who don't know who I am, y'all can go back and look at my videos. I was on food stamps and all that. My next month being monetized on YouTube. Ooh, should I tell y'all this? Comment down below if I should tell y'all this.
Hit her like you like, hit her like you like, for your girl. You like my pictures, hit her like you like. You like my videos, hit her like you like. You ain't no hater, hit her like you like. You getting paper, hit her like you like. Go like, let's go. Like to the four. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. Like, let's go. Follow. Hit her hit her like you like. For your girl, go. Slide with a like, rock with a like. To the left, to the right, go like. Australia better like. US better like. UK hit her like. Hit her like you like. Hit her like. For your girl, take it back to the like. From the left to the right, go like. Scotland better like. Hit her like. Go left to the right, go like. Africa go like. Worldwide go like. I hope y'all like this sound. Yep, that's right. Hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking. Bye.